Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi name and password, then power cycle the modem and router and wait 60 seconds to clear transient faults. Once done, restart your Chromebook by holding power until it shuts down and then booting again. This resets the device network stack. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is enabled in quick settings so the Chromebook can rescan networks immediately. Next, verify and correct detailed network settings. Open Settings, choose Network then Wi-Fi and tap the connected network to inspect IP and DNS entries. If the connection looks stale, forget the network and reconnect with the correct password. This forces a fresh DHCP lease. If you use a manual proxy or custom DNS, make sure those values are accurate versus using automatic settings. Once done, test with a different site and finish with advanced fixes and a clear test plan. Try connecting to a mobile hotspot or neighbor's network to see if the Chromebook or your ISP is at fault, and update router firmware if available. If network hardware and settings are correct but failures continue, consider a Chromebook power wash as a last resort after backing up data. This resets software-level corruption. If it still fails, contact your ISP with the outage check and provide observed IP/DNS errors as a troubleshooting tip to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.